Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study abroad in Korea for high school. First, understand the general eligibility. Most programs require you to be between 15 and 18 years old, or in grades 10 through 12. You will need a solid academic history, often with a minimum GPA of 2.5 or higher. While some programs accept beginners, having basic Korean language proficiency, like topic level 1 or 2, is a significant advantage for daily life and studies. Next, explore the diverse program options. You can choose between government-sponsored exchange programs, private high school admissions, or short-term cultural immersion programs. Each has different requirements and benefits. The application process involves gathering crucial documents such as academic transcripts, a personal essay, and 2 to 3 letters of recommendation. Be sure to apply early, often 6 to 12 months before your desired start date, as spots are limited. Once accepted, the next step is securing your student visa. You will typically need a D4 visa, which requires your acceptance letter, proof of financial support, and a valid passport. For accommodation, many students opt for a homestay, offering a rich cultural experience and daily language practice. Alternatively, some schools provide dormitory facilities. Remember to arrange comprehensive health insurance before you arrive, ensuring you are covered for any medical needs during your time in Korea. Finally, prepare for an incredible cultural immersion. Embrace the opportunity to learn about Korean customs, etiquette, and traditions. Actively participate in school clubs, volunteer, and explore local attractions. Consistent daily practice of the Korean language will significantly boost your fluency and confidence. This experience offers immense personal growth, broadens your global perspective, and creates unforgettable memories, setting you on a path for future success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.